Rolls-Royce has revealed a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece called the Phantom Regatta, and it's one of the most elegant custom Phantoms we've seen in a long time. Built as a unique Phantom extended commission, this incredible luxury sedan celebrates the racing yachts that sail along England's south coast and the famous summer regattas on the Solent, including the legendary Cowes Week. It's also a tribute to Sir Henry Royce, whose former home was just a short distance from where Rolls-Royce is based today. The Phantom Regatta will make its public debut at the 2026 Goodwood Festival of Speed. The exterior perfectly captures the feeling of being out on the water. It's finished in a rich regatta blue paired with English white in a hand-painted two-tone design that mirrors the line where a yacht's hull meets the sea. Completing the look are stunning 22-inch polished disc wheels, whose mirror-like finish is inspired by the polished steel hardware found on high-performance sailing yachts. Step inside, and the nautical inspiration continues throughout the cabin. The front seats are wrapped in deep navy blue leather, while the rear is finished in elegant grace white, representing white sails floating above deep blue water. The steering wheel, contrast stitching, piping, and embroidered RR logos all combine shades of blue and white, with bright turquoise details adding a splash of color inspired by crystal-clear coastal waters. The handcrafted woodwork is equally impressive. Rolls-Royce pairs piano Mallory with open-pore royal walnut, finished in satin across the cabin. The picnic tables are the true highlight, requiring around 120 hours of careful craftsmanship. Each table is designed to resemble the deck of a luxury yacht, featuring 16 perfectly matched walnut planks arranged by hand with ultra-thin strips of black bolivar wood running between them to recreate the appearance of traditional deck caulking. One of the most breathtaking features is the gallery, which stretches across the dashboard. Here, Rolls-Royce's in-house artist created a hand-painted artwork called watercolor that beautifully captures the movement of the sea. Developing the final design wasn't easy either. The artist spent 2 weeks experimenting with special paints and blending techniques before achieving the flowing wave effect seen in the finished piece. Looking upward reveals another spectacular detail. The bespoke Starlight headliner contains 1,307 individually placed fiber optic lights arranged to recreate the swirling tidal currents surrounding the Isle of Wight. Combined with the illuminated doors, the cabin delivers an atmosphere that's both luxurious and incredibly calming. Rolls-Royce also included a hidden detail that many owners might never notice. The circular air vents are engraved with geographic coordinates that only become visible when they're tilted forward. One marks the location of Goodwood House, while the other points to the home of Rolls-Royce, quietly connecting this extraordinary car to the place where it was created. The Phantom Regatta is a perfect example of what Rolls-Royce's bespoke division can achieve when craftsmanship, storytelling, and luxury come together. Every material, every finish, and every hidden detail reflects the elegance of classic sailing, transforming an already iconic Phantom into a rolling work of art that exists as a true one-off.